Actually, finally we started. So let's start. My name is Rustam Tlеужанұлы and my mentee's name is
Анар Бауыржановна.
So today we're here with a kind of project. Actually, last year it became international project, but it is especially for rural schools in Kazakhstan. Because in Almaty, in the outskirts of Almaty, children have a possibility to learn English much more than those who are in the villages and far away.
Grammarian is Albina, and the accounter and timekeeper is Dinas. And there are three participants who will speak about does the school kill the creativity? They will talk about it. The first speaker is Abdul Qasim.
So, does the school kill creativity? Actually, I think that in some way they do, because some of the schools, especially traditional ones, they prefer to emphasize on traditional standardized testings, to pay attention on subjects like mathematics, physics, biology, and geography, and not to pay the attention to students' creativity. And such a, I think, shame maybe, but now innovative schools like NIS, yes, they try, especially my school. I'm the graduate of the school named after Nurmagomedov in Kharkiv University, and especially in our school, the administration, the school students try to pay attention not to the subjects, but also to students' creativity, to the arts, to sports, to singing, to dancing, and so on. And every week, when there's some meetings with school students, our 5th, 6th grade students, they dance, sing, to show their creativity, their maybe some arts, and so on. And I think nowadays our schools have so many like innovative ways of teaching, like methodologies, approach to make the learning process not only traditional but also creative, like to include some exercises, tasks based on singing songs, maybe like warming up activities based on dancing, and they also like give homework based on like doing some creative poster, maybe to create their own dance, to create their own song. And I found this idea, this methods and approach really useful and helpful for students to make their learning routine not only traditional but also in creative way.
Does the school kill the creativity? I think in some ways no, because a good school environment can nurture creativity by offering opportunities for exploration, collaboration, and problem solving. And secondly, innovative teaching methods project-based learning can encourage students to think outside the box, and schools can expose students to new ideas and disciplines that might not encounter other ways. And in some ways, yes, because traditional schooling often emphasizes conformity, standardized testing, and right or wrong answers, which can discourage creative thinking. And time for art, music, and imaginative plays often reduced in favor of subjects that are seen as more academic or testable. So I think school does kill the creativity.
I want to continue, and I want to say that I partly agree with this statement, with this question. As we know, the school is the big building that was, how to say, school is the place that built from the older teachers and younger teachers, and all of these people use in their lessons most of the methods, and older teachers use only, how to say, not only use the traditional method of teaching, and younger teachers use more modern types of teaching, such as making role plays, some tasks for the students, some games, interactive games, and all of these things create students, how to say, develop students' creativity. And I want to say that including most schools should include more art lessons.
Just remember the time that you used to go to school. Did you like to go to school?
In my time?
Yeah. Just remember that time, and that's all.
So, yeah. So I want to say that now most of schools should include more art lessons, or something new, some new methods or something like that.
So here, as a future colleagues, please pay attention to the fact that you have 4 or 5 learners who prepare their speech, and they have the same thing. In the future, they would start to compete with each other. Now, also, you have 4 or 5 judges, referees, and you give them different positions. For weak student, you can give position like calculating the poses, count. For another weak student, you can give a time man. Anyway, these 2 students, even they are weak, they are participating in the lesson from the beginning till the end. So here we just imagine that they are ordinary students. Please come, introduce yourself, and give us your calculations.
First speaker Aida.
First speaker, me.
First speaker Aida speak. Lila. She fully expresses his thoughts.
No. This information is left to
time. You have time. How much time and how much time she did ask.
Or did you change your positions?
She speaks very well, and 1 minute, 2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Okay, what about the second person?
Second persons speak 1 minute, 15 seconds, and the Miri speak 1 minute, no, 2 minutes.
But the given time was 2 minutes and 30 seconds, yes? What about the pauses?
Maybe 5 and 6 pause.
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't pause, and
Well, so, write it over there, please.
So my name is Adriana.
About the grammar. It's not she mustn't find grammatical mistakes. The main thing is participation. But if she is able to find a mistake in the speech, it's okay. It's okay. If she didn't find, it's okay too. But they have a different criteria, but one of them should become a champion.
So everyone spoke very well, and the first speaker, I liked her pronunciation and her think about this topic. She opened this topic, and I didn't find any mistakes for grammar, and pronunciation was very well. The second girl is she often reads on the phone, so she had two pronunciation, but I forgot about this. I didn't write this. So, and third girl, third speaker is, her pronunciation is very well also, but I think she didn't give enough her opinion on us.
Yeah. So, the best of the best on the English faculty.
What did you like?
Ең қызықты болған ашып беруге тырысты, идеясын жеткізуге тырысты.
I think Miri I say more free, and but she doesn't have more work, but she say all
It's okay, please continue. Opinions.
Second girl.
As a moderator, you always should support your student, because it's a psychological barrier. Once you get in this situation, no.
That's why you have to give the assessment criteria in their hands. Some clear instructions. So when they have some kind of clear assessment criteria, they will just tick it. And when they are speaking, they will be just held on list. It's for the future.
Left in this book. They got their criteria. Please.
Same company. Aida